Hey, I'm Simon from Slyletica.
Can you tell me a bit about your business?
We design and manufacture clothing for creators, influencers, startups. Yeah, the works.
Amazing. And what were you experiencing prior to joining the program? What got you over the line?
We built our own in-house team previously. COVID hurt us with that, so we kind of had to rebuild. And, I had, in 2015, I knew what I was doing with ads, but I really wanted to do a refresher course. And this actually blew my mind and kind of was so much more simple than what I thought it would be. And so that's why I came, and it's been pretty good.
Yeah, it's about doing the basics well. It's a key kind of area.
Yeah.
Now, so what would be one of your key takeaways from today? Was there anything that really stuck with you? Anything you found challenging? What was your kind of mindset or perspective of today?
So we've got 3 agencies. We now have 0 agencies on board. Actually, I'm lying. I've got one more who we're about to get rid of. Sorry if you see this.
3 agencies might be a high maintenance client.
Yes. So probably just the simplicity of being able to actually know your own numbers, and as a business owner, particularly one who's scaled an entire team before, it's just kind of going back to basics and understanding how to track everything and just not relying on other people, or if you are relying on other people, at least being in control of the numbers and understanding the numbers. So
it's always about being confident and empowered, and ultimately your business best. Hey, so you're the one who should be saying it.
Yeah,
and if anyone was on the fence about potentially joining the program, what would you be telling them?
If you're not my competitors, please come. But if you're my competitors, absolutely and don't come.